makes up an identity? When teenagers answer this question, they almost always include 4 things. The first is music. We all listen to music. It helps us identify our culture, our community, and our personality. Research has shown that listening to music can make us feel happier and can even make us smarter. Our clothing choices are also part of our identity. We express our personality through the clothes we wear. Creating a personal style helps you figure out both where you fit in and how you stand out. 1 in 4 teens is reportedly obsessed with wearing certain brand name clothing. Whether you wear the latest trends or aim to be different, your choices say something about your identity too, but not always what you think they do. So far, we've seen that music and clothing help us express our identity. What's the third thing? Food. One survey claims that as many as 96% of teenagers associate food with happy memories. The traditional dishes of your culture and the food you grew up eating from your kitchen are a part of your identity. Those foods probably remind you of your home and family. But maybe you're open-minded and like to try popular foods from other cultures and countries. It's okay to experiment sometimes too. What else helps form your identity? Think about it. You have music to listen to, maybe even a concert to go to. You're wearing your favorite clothes, and you just ate an excellent home-cooked meal. So what's missing? People. Our families and friends play an important part in forming our identity. Our parents help influence our beliefs about the world. When we're in our teens, our friends play an especially big role in what we like and the decisions we make. In fact, according to one poll, nearly half of teens would download a song they hadn't heard simply because a friend recommended it. What makes up your identity?